What the fuck? Welcome to Bubble Wrap, an Ultrakill custom level that is entirely made of idols. So today on Moo, my opinion on, we will be reviewing the level based on creativity, P-rank fun, challenge scale, and uniqueness of level. We will do it 1 out of 10, then after some time, using some math, we will determine the rank of the level. The map was created by Darker Bits, so if you want to go check it out, then that's his name. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, and go check me out on Twitch. I stream all things Ultrakill and non-Ultrakill. And shout out to this guy for giving me the suggestion. If you guys have any suggestions for Ultrakill maps, then let me know in the comments. And without further ado, let's start with... For creativity, I'm giving it a 2 out of 10. Because all it is idols on flat ground. What's about to happen? I'm so scared. What? The exit will open once all idols are destroyed. So there's a total of 10,000 idols on this little grass plane, and the only way to exit the level is once every idol is destroyed. This took me around an hour to break all of them. Now you might be wondering, Vince, why would you do this to yourself? And to be honest, I don't really know. Someone in the comments told me that it was a good map, and after I saw this, I'm like, I might as well just do it because I felt challenged. So at this point, it's kind of just ASMR. It's a little long, so maybe grab a snack, grab some water, subscribe, and enjoy the ASMR.
You gotta hit him up.
I know what I need to do, bruh. Make it a survival game, and there's more than one entity to make it not boring. I think there's a movie. I mean, in the one that I showed you, the guy was like, I would add guns, but then it wouldn't make it scary anymore. So I'm not adding guns. I think I'm done.
Oh my god, he did it.
I did it! I did it! Look, it's empty and the door's open.
Yes.
I finished. How long did that take? An hour! An hour of my life I will never get back. Oh,
you did that for an hour.
I did that for an hour. SV
Well,
has gotten depressing.
I was here. I was here.
Yes. I did it. Is there like a congratulations? Nothing.
No. Here you go. Good job.
Ogre emoji.
I love that emoji.
Alright. Give me my P rank. Oh my god.
Now what? Is stream over? Are you taking a break? Go on to the next one, guys.
On to the next one. Oh my god.
Stream can't be over. I just got here.
Let's wait for all my style to go up.
Right.
I think I have like 8 million.
Dude. We're gonna be here for a minute.
Let's talk about our feelings. This is like therapy timer.
How did beating this make you feel?
Honestly, it gave me a sense of accomplishment. But now that it's done, I feel empty.
I think you need to find.
Okay, I'm not waiting here anymore. Yeah.
Okay.
6 minutes? How did that guy beat it in 6 minutes? Yeah, someone. Oh, look. Oh, I did it. For P rank fun, I'm gonna give it a 1 out of 10. It was very easy, but it was very tedious at the same time. And for challenge scale, I'm gonna also have to give it a 1 because there's not really any challenge at all. All you're doing is breaking idols. And while for uniqueness, I'm just gonna give it also a 1. There's nothing special about this map. It's just a bunch of idols in one spot that you gotta break. Now, putting all the numbers together, the rank of the level is a D. Yeah, I didn't really like this level, so just light it on fire. And the guy that recommended this level too, also light him on fire, please. Well, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Maybe go check out my Twitch if you want. And I'll be uploading some more heavily content soon. And I'll see you later. Bye.
Just